Welcome back to Data Simplified, and today we are going to be looking at the CORREL function. This function is available in both Excel and Google Sheets, so feel free to follow along in whichever of the two you are using. Here I have a very basic table containing information from a fictional YouTube channel. So I've got the month of the year, the views the channel got that month, and the subscribers the channel got that month. And what I want to know is there a correlation between the views that the channel gets each month and the subscribers that the channel gets each month? So in order to do this, I'm going to use the CORREL function. So equals CORREL, open bracket, my first set of data, in this case the views, comma, and then my second set of data, which in this case is the subscribers, close bracket. Hit the enter button, and we're greeted with this number starting 0.275. We can round that up to 0.3, and that is a positive correlation. Any correlation between 0 and 1 is a positive correlation, and any correlation between 0 and -1 is a negative correlation. However, most likely we would not report this positive correlation as it is only 0.3. And in general, when you have a correlation, for it to be considered a positive correlation of significance, it needs to be over 0.7. But this can vary dependent on the correlation test you do and the reasons for doing the test and the data that you're looking at. As always, I will put my formulas in my description box so that you guys can copy and paste them in order to learn and make it easier for yourselves. Thank you for watching today.